For Windows 11 users, there is relief in sight. Microsoft has been hard at work getting to the root of a problem that slows down the copying of large files. The issue can be so serious that it can take twice as long than it should to copy files, but thankfully the resolution is near with the freshly unveiled Moment 2 update for Windows 11 22H2. The Moment 2 update is currently available to all Windows 11 users. It's in preview mode, but is up for grabs and will officially roll out next Tuesday, March 14th. This is a bug that's been around for a while now, and tech consultants have reported that it's really been slowing down the performance when it comes to file copies. But with the installation of patch KB 5022913, file copying is reverting back to normal speeds. The Moment 2 update also comes with a host of features, such as Phone Link for iOS, improvements for touchscreen devices, and Bing AI for the taskbar. So if you've been hit by the annoyance of this bug, know that the resolution is almost here. Microsoft has been working on getting this bug fixed for months, and now you will soon be able to enjoy the full fix. For more information about the Moment 2 update, be sure to check out our in-depth look on all the new additions here. We hope this bug is gone for good and that you can be back to copying large files in no time.